how it cuts?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because of traction. I feel like it might be. It cuts in the same spot.
Just cuts in the same spot?
Yeah. It's like 5,500.
Yeah.
It cuts and then it pulls again. I don't know why. It pulls.
Yeah, it's crazy because like, it doesn't feel like it's not like torquey, but
No, it feels good. Pretty cool, huh? You ready? Okay guys, quick update. The car was driving completely fine. You guys saw it was pulling pretty good. There was a slight boost cut issue, which I still don't know why it was doing that. Decided to get some E85 because it was running low on gas, and while my wife was sitting shotgun, she told me that it started to stink pretty bad in the cabin. I didn't have a good feeling about that. Told her to get out, and thankfully she did. There was a massive puddle underneath the car of basically all the E85 that I tried to pump in there. You can't smell it. It does stink a little bit. I mean, E85 does smell good at the same time, so I mean, it's not that bad. But there is a fuel leak. Just gotta have the guys over at SZR look at it tomorrow morning. Got a tow truck on the way. So it should be taken care of pretty soon. I'm sure it's something really minor. We'll see what happens tomorrow.